channel. I am making my second layout with the Chasing Rainbows collection from Traci. Oh my god, like this rainbow paper that I got printed, it's so cute. And I know because I sent it to print at Office Depot, it only gets as big as 8.5 by 11. So I can never have a 12 by 12, but it still works out. And I matted it on like a royal blue cardstock. And then the die cut is from, I want to say it's just a Silhouette Design Studio. It could be a Paige Evans something. I don't know. This one was just in like my gallery of stuff, but it was just like a couple of circle rings with some clouds, and I thought it could be really cute with this rainbow theme I got going on. Like you'd see a rainbow in the sky with the clouds. I thought it could work. So I had everything cut up from the sticker sheet, and then I came across this card that says, oh goodness, I'm not even going to be able to read it really good. But something about like, if you don't see the sunshine, be the sunshine kind of motif. And this is the part of the journaling card set. So I cut it out with a little orange rim so that it had like a little bit of a border. So it stuck out, because if I just did it white, I didn't know if it was going to be enough behind the white cloud from the die cut. And it worked out great. So that's going to be like kind of my, like, so what do I say, like title for the page, but I'm still going to use the word shine that is in this lovely rainbow ombre. And then all the other elements from the sticker sheet I have already cut up from my last layout. So I do a little bit of trimming on some of these borders slash frames that also come in the collection. And I just love this one with the multicolored rainbow striped, and then I just use the edges, the scraps from the card I just cut out for the title to have like a yellow border. And of course I have my handy dandy corner rounder. I corner round every photo on a layout lately. I just like that it softens up the edges and doesn't leave them with a harsh right angle corner. And so if you watched my last video, my fine line bottle is still lost. I'm still using Fabri-Tex liquid glue, and it actually works out pretty well. I really like it, except when it gets on your skin, it almost turns into like a layer of skin. However it melts and adheres, it's just very thin and adhesive, and it's really actually good glue. I mean, I got to try it out with like glitter stuff and see how it attaches it, but it's really good glue. So this is like the basic layout, and once I had like the pattern paper and the cut file where I wanted to put my photo, and everything else kind of seemed, not to say obvious, but you know, it just seemed obvious, like, okay, title here, there's a little space, and then the left of the trimmings go underneath it, like this little bunting banner, and I wanted to use the hearts. And so it came together rather easily. Now this is the second time I've done an 8.5 by 11 layout. It is a fun size. I am doing this one landscape and not in portrait foam. Portrait form, which is okay because my 8.5 by 11 album, I just feel like it's a small enough that doing it in landscape is different and it works. And this is like a cute little photo from Valentina during, I want to say it's the summer last year. Yeah, I mean, it's like I'm losing track of time already at 2. But we go to splash pads around our neighborhood, and she always loves them. And when I'm good at being a mom, I actually have the bathing suit and the water shoes ready to go. But I'm totally the mom too that if we're there and it's a nice day and she wants to go in the splash pad with her, like, you know, daycare clothes on, I'm totally letting her go splash away. Usually I have a towel and some sort of clothes, and obviously extra diapers in my diaper bag that it doesn't bother me much. Plus, I rather always have her in good spirits, and you know, hindering her from getting wet is not something I want to do. So this day I clearly had the bathing suit, so it was a score. And I just liked the little tutu, and from the back side, it was just a cute photo with her little tushy and her pamper butt. Good times, good times. So here's a little bit of a flower cluster that I'm going to use to finish off this layout. I will leave the links to Traci Reed's collections either from her website, which is where I usually send, but I know they're also offered on Sweet Shop online too. I'll leave the links down below. This is the Chasing Rainbows collection. If you love rainbows, you'll definitely love this one. Until next time, please subscribe and like this video. Bye, everyone.